Guys, thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. I appreciate all of you guys watching. Today we're going to do a little island barbecue, Boca Chica, Florida. But I want to share with you my latest cooler. It's a foldable, collapsible, portable cooler. It's for camping. If you're going to go on your motorcycle, it fits in the pannier. And we're going to see how long the ice lasts and if it's any good. Okay, we have 4 ribeyes, about 10 beers, a few sodas, and a few waters. It's about 80 degrees in beautiful Boca Chica, Florida. Alright, here's the cooler. I'll put a link for it in the description. Let's see how it holds up. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We should be here all afternoon. Close it like this. Okay, let's do an ice check. It's been a couple hours. Looking good. Party over there. Okay, so I don't have it out in the sun. I just brought it out here so you could have a nice water view. But so far, so good. Beautiful day, guys. I wish you all were here. You're just gonna have to take my word. I have not added any ice to this cooler. Barbecue activated, ribeye tacos, ribeye caveman tacos. Stay tuned. Guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the ribeye tacos, caveman tacos. And one last check on the cooler. It's been holding up great. I have not added any ice. It's almost 4:30, 5 o'clock. We've been here most of the day. The cooler's been sitting here under the tree. And let's see here, we still have one steak that we couldn't eat. And we still have ice. I would say it's a success. Here's the name of the cooler. It's F40C4TMP. And I'll put a link to the cooler in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Cheers.